What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today's video is going to be part 3 of our patois lesson. I hope you're excited. I hope you're ready. I'm going to jump straight in. But before we do that, I gotta let you know that if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bells on, and leave your comments, questions, whatever you want to know. So like I said, I'm trying to make this as short as possible, probably 5 to 8 minutes. So today we're going to do some easy words, everyday words. I call them juggling words because they're in almost every sentence and they're used a lot in the Jamaican patois. So a lot of times if you're going to ask a question, if somebody's going to talk to you, they'll use these words. I have 10 words and it's your regular like they, them, their, what. I'm going to tell you how to say them in patois. So let's jump straight into the video. First word is them, and I'm going to pair them and their together because when you're saying it them in patois, they say dem, D-E-M, and even if they're talking about their, they'll say D-E-M, dem. So for example, the children got their gifts. They would say in patois, the children got them gift, or the people got them gift, them. So them for them and their, it's dem. The second one is they, and I should have grouped that with the first two, which is their and them, because for they also use in patois dem for they. So dem is also used for they. Simple. So for example, you'd ask in English, where are my shoes? And a person would answer in patois, dem over there, so. Your shoes them over there, so. Dem over there, so. So they is also dem. So there, them, and they is dem, D-E-M. The third word is where, and this is very important because a lot of times visitors want to know direction, and the first thing they want to ask is, where is so-and-so? Where is Portland? Where is St. Thomas? So in patois, if you want to know where, you would say where. W-E-H, where. So where is St. Thomas? Where St. Thomas there? So again, where, where. Where, fourth one is what, and for what in patois would be wa. So what would be the English word and what would be the patois, W-A-H, what. And as usual, I put the spellings up here so you shouldn't have any problem. But what do you want, why you want in patois. So what, also we use wa to answer to why. So why in English, what in patois. Why in English, what in patois. So why are you here? Where do you? Why is also what. So as you can tell by now, some of the words are used interchangeably between English words. So it shouldn't be too hard or too confusing for you. The sixth word in English is here, H-E-R-E. Come here or over here. In patois, you would say ya. Come ya or come over ya. Ya. So here in English, ya in patois. Here, ya. Here, ya. Over here, over here. The seventh word in English is there, T-H-E-R-E. So over there in English, over there in patois. So there is de. There, de, D-E-H. Where are my clothes? They're over there. Where are my clothes? They're over there. So there, de. There, de. I hope that makes sense. The eighth word is the, T-H-E, the. We use that every day, almost in every sentence, the. So in patois, the in English, D in patois, which is D-I, D or probably D-E. As I told you before, don't get too serious about the spelling because you'll see different spelling. So you'll see D as D-I or D as D-E. So the, T-H-E in English, D in patois. The in English, D in patois. The ninth word, again, this is an everyday use. It's a juggling word. We use them every day, is when. When, W-H-E-N, when. W-H-E-N, when in English. And in patois, it would be W-E-N, when. So it's the same when. When. We just don't place the emphasis on pronouncing it as, oh, when. We'll say when. W-E-N, when. So when in patois, when in English. When in English, when in patois. It's just the spelling that's going to be a little off in patois. It wouldn't be W-H-E-N, it would be W-E-N in patois. Similar to when is then, T-H-E-N in English. Then in English, then in patois, D-E-N. Then in English, then in patois. T-H-E-N in English, D-E-N in patois. Then in English, then in patois. And the final everyday juggling word in this week's lesson is gonna be than, T-H-A-N. Than in English, than in patois. So D-A-N in patois. Than, dan. Better than, better than. in patois. So that's basically it. Short and spicy. That is this week's patois lesson. Join me again next week, Thursday, where you'll get another patois lesson. I'll probably put these in sentences or do some other words, because I think the words are very important to learn before you actually create sentences. So that's the video for this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Remember, you can leave all your questions in the description box. If there's something you want me to talk about, if there's something you want me to explain, go ahead and leave it, and I'll fit it into the week's lesson before, probably after. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Mwah, mwah, mwah.